Hey guys, thanks for joining this session. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an anti-money account and then connect it with your email so that the system automatically helps you track your income, expenses, and then calculate taxes, tax reliefs, tax deductions, and all. So let's just get right into it. So when you want to join Antimony, you go into your browser and then you type antimony.com.ng. It's going to bring you to this website. Now if you're an existing user, you click on the sign in button. If you're a new user, you click on get started. It's going to take you to the registration page. So for this demo, I'm going to create a new account. I'm going to say, I said demo accounts, and then email should be let's say demo at email.com, for example. Then I put a password. If you have a referral code, you can also input that here, and I'm gonna leave this blank. So when you successfully register on Antimony, you're gonna be greeted with this screen. So this is the welcome wizard. It's gonna walk you through how to set up your account. So you click get started. First thing it's going to ask you for is your mailbox name. So this is going to create an email address for you on Antimony where you're going to forward every bank notification to. So this email is unique to each user. So you could set up, you could choose any name you like. So now I provided demo, therefore it means my um email address with Antimony is going to be demo@antimony.com.ng. So I click on create mailbox. This is going to create a mailbox for me. I see that here, demo@antimony.com.ng. Next, I need to set up, whatever email account I'm using. I'm currently using Gmail for this demo. So what we need to do is we need to head over to our Gmail mailbox, and then you you click on this. You click on this, and then you click on all settings. When you go to all settings, it's going to display some of these options. Then you come to the forwarding and POP IMAP. I already have a forwarding email set up, right, which is this one. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to add a new forwarding address. So I click on add a new forwarding address. I head over to Antimony and copy this. We're going to copy this and then head over here and then paste this one right here. So what's going to happen is Google would ask you for verification to confirm your identity when trying to connect the Antimony email. You could receive a notification on your phone. You just go ahead and confirm this on your mobile phone. I'm doing that right now. Then you're going to see this message. So just click on proceed. What's going to happen is you would receive an email which is going to be sent to this email address. Now what we do with Antimony is that you have um an actual email address which you registered on Antimony. When this message is sent to you by Google, we forward that email which is received from Google to your original email address. So for example, if you registered on Antimony with zeno@gmail.com, and then Gmail sends this confirmation link to your demo@antimony.com.ng. Antimony is going to forward this email to zeno@gmail.com. So head over to your email. You may have to check the spam box or your inbox just in case. And then when you find that email, you click on it. So I'm going to do that. And then we proceed from there. All right. So this is the email. I have received it. I'm going to click on this link. I could just copy it and then paste it here. And I basically just have to click on confirm. What's going to happen now is by clicking confirm, I have activated the email forwarding from my email address to this address. Now, if I come all the way back here on Google, I refresh this page. Next, what I have to do initially, so you could also see a notification here. But next, what we're going to do now is move from the forwarding and POP IMAP tab into the filters and blocked address tab. What we have to do next, here you can see I've configured a couple of matches, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So in your case, this is most likely going to be empty. You won't have anything here. Click on filters and blocked addresses, and then click on create a new filter. When you click on create a new filter, what you need to do here is you need to create a filter for only emails from your respective bank. So if you bank with, let me disable that for example, if you bank with Providence Bank or GT Bank or OPay like myself, you should get the email address with which you receive, with which these banks send you notifications, bank alerts. So for OPay, this is the email address they use. For GT Bank, this is the email address, and for Providus, this is the email address. You can easily get this from by checking any of the emails you've received for bank alerts. You should be able to get this address. So I'm going to do for OPay in this case. So I'll copy this, click on create a new filter, and then paste that here. So I'm going to click on create filter. Now it's going to show you this modal, this dialog. What you need to do is come down to this section where it says forward it to, and then you select your new address from Antimony, which is this one, and then you click on this. So what happens here, what we have just done now is to instruct Gmail that whenever you receive any email from OPay, forward it to this address at Antimony. What this means is that for each time you receive money on OPay or send out money on OPay, OPay will send you a notification, and then your Gmail is going to forward that notification to Antimony, and then our AI system is going to process that transaction information, by going through the email message, the bank alerts, process it and record it on your antimony dashboard. So this helps you to automatically track your transactions without having to type in anything. You basically just have to open your antimony accounts and see how much you've spent for the day, how much you've earned for the day, right? And know where your money is going. So the next step we need to do here is click on create filter. So you click on this button and then Google will also have to verify you again. Click on continue and they will most likely send you a notification on one of your devices. You will basically just have to confirm that you are who you say you are. So I'm confirming on my device and now we can see it appear here. So basically every time we receive a notification from OPay, it's going to get sent here. Now we head back to our antimony dashboard and click on all done. So as a new user, this is what you get to see. You can create a new budget, click on preview with sample data to see what the dashboard looks like. So this is what your dashboard is going to look like when you start receiving transaction alerts, right? You're going to see how much has come in, how much has gone out, how much you're spending. It could also upgrade to get more features. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do reach out to us if you have any questions, comments, suggestions. We'll be very glad to receive your correspondence. Thank you very much. Bye.